Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, customizing your keyboard shortcuts. A lot of commands can be triggered using keyboard shortcuts. These default shortcuts are displayed when hovering over some of the buttons in the translation interface or when using the right click. If you wish to customize your own keyboard shortcuts, open the memoQ options and go to the category Keyboard Shortcuts. Select the default shortcut resource and click on Clone. Name your new customized resource and click OK. Now click on Edit to open the shortcut list. In the page, you can edit existing shortcuts and add shortcuts for commands which don't have one yet. To browse faster through the various sections, simply type the command you are looking for. Once you have selected the command, click on the pencil icon. Using the keyboard, type the shortcut you wish to use for the selected command. If the shortcut is already used, memoQ notifies you. When you are done, click on the little plus icon, then click on OK to save your newly updated shortcuts. Note that you can also assign shortcuts to special characters. If you wish to access the full list of currently active shortcuts, you can click on Save Cheat Sheet to view the full list in HTML format. Important note, local keyboard shortcuts can be published on your memoQ server if you wish to share them with other team members. Thanks for watching.